Hey guys, welcome back. Now you might have noticed that the last 20 lectures or so have been a non-stop roller coaster ride of scrappy promotion strategies, and this section looks, well, not like that. In this section, we're gonna take a pause from the non-stop promotion to do something that is really vitally important. Is it redesigning your logo? No. Is it to find a back alley social media specialist? No. It is to set up analytics on your site so you know what is working. Data nerds rejoice. Yes, we are going to talk about how we track what is working. This course is meant to be a big buffet of tactics. Once upon a time, I was a young lad in a college that would invite speakers to come inspire us and tell us how they built their business. My favorite one by far, despite the speaker sounding like he spoke 3 languages, but really could only speak 1, was a man I won't name who said, "The secret to business is finding something that works, and then you just do that a lot." Pure poetry. And while that man is on an unrelated note currently in prison, his wisdom still rings true today. And guess what? You can't really grow your business in a systematic way if you have no idea what you're doing that's bringing in the sales. It could very easily be the case that 9 out of the 10 things you're doing are having absolutely no impact at all and are a waste of time. That's why we need to take a break and get acquainted with the basics of analytics. Once we start tracking who is doing what, we'll then be able to narrow down on which techniques are bringing in the most people, the right people, and where we should then focus our energy. We'll cover tools like Google Analytics, Mixpanel, and Kissmetrics. We'll go through how to use the free version of Google Analytics and interpret that spaghetti of data that it throws at you. And then last off, we'll go over ways of using linking tricks to get even more of a granular understanding of what's working. See you in the next lecture.